description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one from Nissin, Germany. This is duck flavor Demae ramen. And man, I wish I had some duck. But I'm kind of ducked in that respect. There we go. So you can watch it boil. That's enough out of you. Here we go. Yeah, like I said in the last episode, we got a little bit of snow, and my wife and I are getting through the last bits of getting a cold, which honestly has just been mean this time around, folks. Sneezing. Started out with like runny nose, sore throat, itchy eyes. Now my eyes are like, oh my god, the corners of both of them are on fire. They just sting. I don't like it. I don't take anything when I get a cold or a flu, usually, unless I'm pressed about it, but I don't know. It's like I trade one feeling of crummy for another, and I don't want to be a zombie. I want to be productive, so I'll be like, you know, have a runny nose, i.e. rhinorrhea. Yeah, I love that. I love the fact that nose is rhino. Is your nose infected? You have rhinitis, I think. What's an infection? Rhinorrhea is like runny nose. Rhinoplasty is plastic surgery on a nose, or nose reconstruction. I don't know. I ain't no doctor. I mean, if I were a doctor, I probably wouldn't be doing what I'm doing now, so I'd have more money, most likely, but I don't know about that either, because I can't see very well. Who wants a blind doctor? Although my brother was talking about some guy who was a blind acupuncturist. That's right. That seems that could be dangerous, but I guess the guy is like really good. But that just doesn't seem like, you know, kind of like blind race car drivers. Not to say that a blind person couldn't be a race car driver, but, you know, blind dart players. I don't know. I'm legally blind, so I can't see very well at all. The reason I wear shades is because bright light is violently painful to me. I don't like it. Yeah. Now we have duck time. So let's check out this duck ramen. I kind of have an idea of what it's going to taste like. I don't know. There's like, you would think this would be the flavor of duck. I mean, Nissin, Japanese company. However, it's in Germany, so I would think it would be more towards the German palate. I've had duck in Asia many times and I love it, but I don't know how they would have it in Europe per se. I've not been to Europe. I'm of European descent, but I am not from or been to Europe. That being said, let us try this noodle. I can't say enough how much I really like the chew and the gauge and how it works with this Demae ramen. It's really nice. I mean, yes, it's a standardized fried instant noodle, but it works so well. There's our broth. Definitely seems a little bit more leaning towards curry. Kind of like a curry and a beef. It's good. It seems a little more subtle than just a straight curry. Let us use the matching bowl. Let's see. And like I said on the last one, I didn't have time to, I mean, I guess I did have time. I didn't even think about it. I was just kind of stressed on making sure the kids got on the bus on time because the timing for the bus, it was a 2-hour late start. So I didn't make any little extra foo-foo to put on stuff. My apologies. And I just realized this weekend that I don't have another large bag of chashu, and that's not cool. But Rotato, do your thing. All right, well, that's it for me. The next one you're going to see is this. This is Myojo. This is a Yuzu Shio. It came out of a Nakama Noodles box. You can go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, boxjapan.com. Use coupon Ramen Reader for a coupon code. And I've never been a big fan of Yuzu. It's a little too close to grapefruit flavor to me, and I don't like grapefruit in the slightest bit. So we'll see. All right, have a good one. Bye-bye.